So now let's see how we can work around with column reigns and row reigns inside of Google Sheets. So over here, you can see that I have some blank columns right here. So if I were to type in some random data, then I can generate out some data right here. So I'm just going to go around right here, generate out some data right here, type it in, and then there you go. So I got 3 rows. I got, let's say, around 15 rows right here, and I got 3 columns just like this. So this can be anywhere. So if you want to count the number of rows and columns, then you can press equals right here and type in column just like this. So once you type that in, I can go around, type in columns, and then once I open this out, I can go around and click and drag all of the things right here, close it and press enter. And now it shows the number of the columns, that is, it says 3. And then I can press OK right here, and I can type in rows right here and open up the bracket, click and drag everything right here. Once you do that, you can also count the number of rows, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with column reigns and row reigns inside of Google Sheets. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.